All right, we got these really nice Bruno Marc men's non-slip work shoes. Non-slip, as you can see on the bottom right there. I think these are also just super comfortable. I like the mesh vibe up here, 90% mesh. Very comfortable. Nice, the nice lace up right here. Here's the way the tongue looks right there. You got the inner vibe. The sole is also very comfortable. They're just very comfortable on my feet. I just noticed that. Walking around, I actually just tried on a pair of dress shoes, and the difference between those and these is like, it's a massive difference. Because these are actually just super comfortable to just walk around in. Perfect for working. If you're around like slippery floors, stuff like that, these are great. You got this little vibe at the back that you can just, you know, when you're ready to put the shoes on, you can pull them on. Great shoes. Highly recommend.